Alright. In Nashville, Tennessee. Basically, I'm cover this go kart. So sorry for this, but airplane up there always makes clowns. I hate it. So, I'm gonna get this go kart out right now. In Nashville, Tennessee. Grandparents' house. Dirt bike out there. I got shorts on. So, buddy, if you're gonna watch this, hope you're going to Indiana. Let's get this on. Uh-oh. My little gift dog. Let's try to get this baby out. Get this sucker out of here. Get her out of here. Come on. Straighten these wheels up on this bicycle. It takes a little while. Short one. Alright, I'll get back with you second. Alright, so I got it. Chain come off. Shadow cart setting. And also want to set this 1985 Ford Crown Victoria. All it needs is a fuel pump. And a new glass and a new ignition. So I was going to take the ignition out of it. And shit, it's going to have to fix a roof liner too. So if anybody wants it, just comment in the post. It's got a good motor in it. It's been running since 2005. It's inside of a 76 Maverick. It's got a fat ass motor. This sucker right here will get up and go. This thing will get up and go, I'll tell you that. Like that car did. I've ridden that car since when I was a little kid. I'm gonna sell it. There's a new driver's door glass put in it. I shot it with a BB gun. And that's the fuel pump right there. Just needs a new fuel pump and the stereo and all that, and it'll be fixed up, ready to go. And that happened one day because I didn't know I had a hammer sitting there. I busted it, so I need a new one. Those two. She's so junk. So I'm gonna get rid of it. Y'all had it when we want to get out of the yard. Been sitting there since 2005. Long time. Now this car does sit here because I got my 85 Ranger. So I got an 85 Ranger. It sits right here when I try to bring it up here sometime this summer. It's been here since last year. Been a while. And all these spots right here is from that my truck. It was sitting here. And I got a trampoline. And so if anybody wants that car, 281 Bart Drive in New York, Tennessee 37013. Right, so it's Smyrna. Well, this is in New York, so it's beside Nashville. It's in Nashville too. You can call it Nashville. So this is our main little floor. And this car does it's got a fuel pump in it. It used to, so it's been sitting for since 2005. Some of the plates was expired. It's got a new exhaust on it. So it's been running since 2005. That's really out of my truck.